Good day, everyone. Today, our group will present our project entitled ACA Membership Registration System. We created this using Java Spring for the user interface, and the system is designed to collect information from students who want to register in any ACA organization. Ang pinaka-goal namin is makollect yung personal and organizational info ng members, then store it temporarily sa aming program.
Thank you, Samuel Moro. Next presenter, Christian Paul Gonzales.
For the layouting labels, we use JLabel para sa mga text descriptions ng bawat field, like first name, middle name, and last name, student number, at iba pa. Nilagay namin yan para guided yung user kung ano ang dapat ilagay. Tapos, for the next text inputs po, gamit kami ng JText field dito para input yung mga details like names, department, program, section, contact number, and email.
Next presenter, Khalyll Lagunzad.
Hi, support naman na academic standing. We use JRadioButton para makapili ang user kung regular or irregular sila. Isa lang sa dalawang maaari nilang piliin. Gayon din sa your level, may first year, second year, third year, at fourth year na choices. Isa lang sa apat na maaaring piliin ng user para hindi magkaroon ng conflict sa selection. The topic will be continued by the next presenter, Ais Intia.
For organizational selection, we also use JRadioButton. The user shall choose among the 4 ACA organizations, namely, Dangal Ambassadors, Dangal Sining Tanghalan, Indak Dangal Dance Company, and PNC Lente. Only one organization is permitted per member, which makes the radio button appropriate.
The JRadioButton is now done. Now let's proceed to the next presenter, Vanness Juliaga.
Para sa ibang details like membership role, officership, username, birthday, address, and password, JText field din ang ginamit namin. Meron din kaming fields for confirm email and confirm password para ma-check kung tama talaga yung mga sensitive information na ini-input ng user. For password fields, gumamit kami ng JPassword field para hindi visible yung password habang tinatype.
Next presenter, Renz Garcia.
For the submit or register button, we use J button. Every time na i-click yun, mag-renew validations natin. Tapos, we also added another J button na registered students. Kapag i-click yun, lalabas lahat ng registered members sa JText area, showing their complete details.
Next presenter, Lizle Ocariza.
Now, para sa validations, gumawa kami ng InputValidator class. Dito namin nilalagay yung mga conditions like bawal ang empty and required fields. Student number and contact number must be numeric. Email and confirm email must be match. And password and confirm password must also match. Kapag may kulang o mali naman, nagpa-pop up ang J option pane na error message para alam ng user kung ano yung kailangan i-correct.
And that's how the errors are given to guide the users. Now let's proceed to the next presenter, Jim Magbanua.
Once validated, the system stores the user's information sa student class array. Each student object contains the personal, academic, and organizational information. Take note po na since naka-array lang siya, the data is stored temporarily. Ibig sabihin, nasa memory lang siya while the program is running. Once we close the system, mabubura yung data kasi wala pa po itong database connection.
Thank you, Jim Magbanua. Now let's go to the next presenter, Jeremiah Laza.
Our system also has a display feature. After registering, the user can click the Registered Students button to view all the members stored in the array. The system will look through the student array and display the information sa JText area, including their name, year level, organization, and other details. Maganda siya for review na lahat ng registered members sa current session.
Last but not the least, presenter Sharmaine Pestaño.
In conclusion, our ACA membership registration system is a simple yet functional Java Swing application that collects and stores member information temporarily at runtime. The system also validates the data to ensure accuracy. For future improvements, we are planning to connect it to a database for permanent data storage and add features like search, update, and delete to make it more flexible and useful. Thank you so much for listening.